So, your furnace isn't coming on. I'm going to walk you through 4 simple things you can check before you call in a professional. Hi, I'm Hunter from Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, and these tips could save you time, money, and keep your home warm. Let's get started. First, let's start with the thermostat. It might sound obvious, but double check that your thermostat is set to heat and that the temperature is set higher than the current room temperature. Sometimes the settings can get changed accidentally or the batteries might need replacing. If the display is blank, it's a clear sign the batteries need to be replaced. To change the batteries, simply remove the thermostat cover, replace the old batteries with fresh ones, and snap the cover back on. Once the batteries are replaced, set the thermostat to the desired temperature and see if the furnace kicks on. Next, check the power to your furnace. Locate the power switch, which often looks like a regular light switch and is located on or near the furnace. Make sure it's in the on position. It's easy to accidentally switch it off, especially if your furnace is in a utility room or basement where things can get moved around. If the switch was off, flip it back on and give the furnace a few minutes to start up. Sometimes it takes a moment for the system to respond. Third, let's check the circuit breaker. Head over to your home's breaker panel and find the breaker labeled furnace or HVAC. If the breaker has tripped, it will be in the middle position. Flip it all the way to off and then back to on. After resetting the breaker, return to your furnace and see if it's now operating. A tripped breaker can sometimes happen due to power surges or other electrical issues. Finally, check the furnace filter. A clogged filter can restrict airflow and cause the furnace to shut down as a safety measure. Locate the filter, which is typically found in the return air duct or near the blower compartment. Remove the filter and inspect it. If it's dirty or clogged, replace it with a new one. Replacing the filter is straightforward. Just slide the old one out and insert the new one, making sure the arrows on the filter frame point in the direction of airflow. Regularly changing your filter not only helps your furnace run more efficiently, but also improves the air quality in your home. If you've tried all these steps and your furnace still isn't working, give us a call. We're happy to help.